Good day, good day, good day. This is Howard Martell, known as the Home Profit Coach here in Hampton Roads, Virginia, with another episode of Tools You Can Use, creating social media content with the World Profit AI Generator. Hey, everyone, and welcome to today's live stream. I'm the Home Profit Coach, Howard Martell, and we're going to be discussing this incredible tool that's going to help you not only save time, but create great content that your users on social media will want to click and get more intrigued about. Quick question. Are you spending hours creating social media content, staring at a blank screen, wondering, what do I even post today? What if I told you that you could create professional posts for all your social media platforms in seconds? Today, I'm going to show you the World Profit Social Media Content Generator, an AI powered tool that can completely change your content game. If you're ready to save time and look more professional online, drop a fire in the comments. The problems we face. Let's be real for a second. Creating content is exhausting. Different platforms need different formats. You're trying to come up with fresh ideas every day, writing captions to actually get engagement, finding or creating images, tweaking tone for LinkedIn versus Instagram versus X versus Facebook versus Pinterest, whatever you're trying to do, or Instagram. Sounds familiar? Comment yes if that's you. Most entrepreneurs are spending 3 to 5 hours per day on social media content. That's 15 to 24 hours per week. What if you could get most of that time back? Introducing the solution. Enter the World Profit Social Media Content Generator. This AI powered tool does the heavy lifting for you. One content idea, post for multiple platforms. Choose your tone: professional, casual, funny, inspirational. And there's also witty. AI generated images included, platform optimized content, and all created in seconds. You don't have to be a writer. You don't have to be a designer. You just need an idea. The AI does the rest. And what I'm going to do is there's a demo link that's in the description. You can go on there, and that's our how-to video. So you can kind of see the power of it. Now, let me show you how it works. Okay, let's create some content right now. I'm going to enter my idea. It's going to be called Tips for Staying a Thing, but let me put that on the screen for you right now so you'll have it easily. I'm going to demonstrate how easy this tool is. So let's go to the World Profit AI powered content generator. Nope, it's not that. Bear with me. I just have to find it. What we're going to do is we'll just come over here. All right. Let's go to the AI content generator, social media content generator. You see how it's easily, you just pull it down. This is a modernized menu. And as you can see, World Profit's social media content generator. Enter an idea and select tone and let World Profit's AI system craft tailored posts and images for LinkedIn, Twitter, X, Facebook, and Instagram in seconds. Now I'm typing this. I want a professional. Watch this. Generate. And as you see, you're gonna watch what the cool part is and stuff. That's an example right there. Another one that I did. Just bear with me as it takes a little bit. It'll generate it. You'll see the pictures very soon. Look how quick that was. Now, what you're going to do in this demonstration is you're going to right click and save this. Save this image. You're going to save it to a computer. Okay. You're going to copy all this text. You're going to highlight it and right click and paste, right? Copy. Going to come over here to visit site. You click on visit site. And now we're going to share the tab out over here. So you're going to see my Facebook profile. I'm going to actually show you what needs to be done. in a quick demo. All right. I'm going to click in what's on your mind in my Facebook profile. I'm going to wait for creating a post. Control V. Don't worry about the hashtags. They automatically show up. You can go like this and the rest of them will show up. That's what I love about it. All right. Now I'm going to go search for my photo in my computer. I know it's not, number 97. I'm going to click on that little icon there that you see. Going to go to my right there. That's just 335. And now you should see the magic happen right here. Watch this. Boom. Now, you have the ability, once you post it, I can leave it this way. This is just creating curiosity. Working from home can feel like a balancing act between productivity and household distraction. If you're struggling to find your focus, you're not alone. Here are a few simple steps that can make a huge difference. Create a no-go zone for your family and pets during core working hours. Ditch the pajamas, get dressed, can significantly boost your mindset. Schedule your short breaks to stretch, grab a coffee, or step aside for fresh air. What's the number one tip for successful work from home today? Share your best hacks in the comment below. Now, what I'm doing is there's not going to be any links in it this time, right? And I mix these up. I can include links to my primary businesses if I want to too. And you'll see. And I go over here, share, and I'm like, okay, I want to share this out to these groups. So I'm going to come over here to the groups. I'm sharing it to the Northern Virginia group right here. A few of them I'll share it out to, and then you'll see why I do that. That creates curiosity. And these people can click on it and say, oh, this is interesting. What did this person, how did this person do this? What else do they have for content? And it creates followers. MLM Exchange, just name a few, right? So if you want to reach out to me, I'm right here, Howard Martell. This is my profile. Let's go here to this right now. It has links to my store. Now, this is one I had this is one that I had covered for an event that's coming up. Is your money working as hard as you, or are you just lounging around? If you want to finally understand your finances without confusing jargon or heavy sales pitch, this is for you. The Money 101 workshop at the Westin in Virginia Beach is all about solid, simple information on things like compound interest, protecting your income, and building a real plan for your future. I've been, it's fantastic. Grab a friend and come learn with us. Let me know if you can make it. And that's how you reserve the spot. You see how simple that is? So let's stop sharing this and let's go back to the tool, right? So I wanted to tell you that this tool is incredible for any type of content, right? So let's go back to my tool. Let's go to, so you see the difference, right? So we can do the same thing for Twitter. Copy, right click, save image, and you're going to visit the site, right? And it's going to be 98. So it goes down the next thing. Let's go here to this. I'm going to go to my Twitter account. I'll show you what needs to be done once we are there in Twitter. Let's go to X right now as I'm waiting for it to activate. Just bear with me. I'm going to make sure that I sign up with my Google account, of course. It's going to go into my accounts. The multi-factor authentication is what we call this. You have to authenticate yourself. And then once it comes in, I will be an X. And I'll be in my profile. I'm going to go to post. Okay. Make sure that you still see the screen there. Let me go here to this. Sometimes this screen does not like to share. So just go there like this. There we go. I'm going to X. Now you see me on X. I'm going to Control V. The text I copied. Right now, because it's too much, I'm going to have to remove some stuff, right? So I'm going to go over here like this until I get down to that, right? So that allows me to do that. I'm going to go over here like this. I'm going to go to the media. I'm going to find the media. media in here. Okay, where is my pictures at? Sometimes these things can take a while to populate, and I don't know where. Let's go to 98. I think that's what it is. But you get the drift, basically. All it is you're just finding a picture on your desktop. If you're like me, you have a lot of pictures, so we'll find it and stuff. It just sometimes these computers are slow because it's got so much data, but it doesn't matter. You can put any picture you want to put up there. I'll just put that there for now. Just to the picture's going to show up, right? Boom. There we go. It's just the business plan, right? Boom, and post. All right. Let's go back to for me, right? See, here's my post right here. Boom. There we go. That is our demonstration for Twitter. So I did two different demonstrations for you, right? So in closing, I showed you what you need to do. Notice what I'm doing. I'm not writing full captions. I'm not brainstorming about hashtags. I'm not searching for images. The AI is going to handle all of that. Your idea could be a topic, a question, a single tip, a promotion, an announcement. Comment below with the content until you want to turn into a post. So I did the live demo. I showed you the professional, perfect for business to business and LinkedIn, casual, great for Facebook and Instagram, funny, awesome for Twitter or Reels, inspirational for motivational content and personal branding. So you could put an example, I'm choosing professional since this topic fits LinkedIn style and why this matters. It's the same idea can be delivered in different ways. The content matches your brand voice and your audience. Type in the comments which tone you do the most, professional, casual, funny, or inspirational. So when the AI magic works, in just a few seconds, I've demonstrated what you can do with Twitter and Facebook. Twitter is more short, punchy with hashtags. Facebook posts are conversational, engagement, and focused. On top of that, it also provided custom AI generated images suggested for each platform. Think about how long this would take manually, brainstorming ideas, writing 4 different versions, and picking hashtags, looking for images. Easily 1 to 2 hours. The tool did it in just seconds. If that's blowing your mind a little bit, react with me in the chat. Here's our platform specific breakdown. Let's quickly look at how each post is tailored. LinkedIn's longer, more structured, professional tone, industry relevant hashtags, business style images. Twitter, short, punchy, character limited, aware, focused hashtags, simple, clear, visual. Facebook, conversational and friendly, often includes a question to spark comments, relatable images. Instagram, visual first, emoji rich caption, multiple hashtags for discoverability, eye catching graphics. Each platform gets content optimized for the audience, but is all based on one idea and chosen tone. That's how you create more content in less time without burning out. Our call to action, our wrap up. Here's what I want you to do right after this live. Go to that link inside the description and try the free demo yourself. Try in one content that you've been sitting on. Watch the AI created platform content in seconds, creating a week's worth of content in 10 minutes, never staring at a blank screen again, having professional, consistent posts across all platforms, and using your time to actually engage the audience instead of just creating. If you if you're going to try it, comment trying it now and tag someone who needs this tool in their life. Thanks for hanging out for me today. Hit the follow, subscribe button for more social media tips and tools like this. I'll see you in the next stream. So I'm going to remove that from the screen. So if you had great value and you want to know more about this tool, I'm going to post one of the links that you can do in the comments. Just Bear with me. Post this in the comments. You can see it. I'm going to post it on the screen before we close out. That's where you go to get access to that tool. Now you're going to have to subscribe, become a free associate, and my uh, agent Sophia will take good care of you. She is well trained. If you can ask her any questions about this 30 plus year platform, these tools have not even been a year old, and I use them every single day. So this was a demonstration creating social media content like that for your major social media networks. With that being said, take care. Definitely get your free associate account right there, and Sophia will be there to answer any kind of questions that you have. Take care.